Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you the progressive stamping mode. Let's look at some of the samples here. These are all very big and very long parts. The progressive tool is not like injection mode. It needs to be done by many steps of process. Here are all some of the samples we have made. And for that tall part, that's for the deep drawing stamping part. Let's have a closer look of the progressive tool. Wow, very long. As you can see here, from the first step and then keep going to the last step, and then here is the finished product.